Okay, so today I want to try something really, really different. Stick with me. Something really outside the box. This is a video about a video. This is going to be really short, and I need you guys to do me a favor. Just stick with me for a second here. What are you looking at? The answer is you're going to say, I'm looking at three potatoes with eyes. I promise you, I haven't been drinking, I don't do drugs, but when I see this, I don't see three potatoes, I see 12 potatoes. So, how can I get 12 potatoes out of this? Some of you already know if you're gardeners, but 12 potatoes out of this without a garden. So, that's the ask. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to see if I can get you guys to just quickly click the link below, and there's a video that I did a while ago where I actually grew potatoes in a dishpan using one single potato. So, if you guys will just humor me, I'm trying an experiment. I want people to realize that you don't have to have a garden to grow, especially if you're on a fixed income, especially if you're over 40 and you don't have the mobility and you still want to grow a little something, or just try a little experiment. Click the link below, watch the video, and see how many potatoes you can get from one single potato. That's my ask. That's my favor. Thank you. It's Frugal Gardener. I'll catch you on the next video. You guys have a great day.